Hello everyone! Welcome to Hulahuan. Ang reading na ito ay para sa sign of Taurus for June 2024. Unahin natin ang general forecast, susundan ng career or money, relationships and or love life, and then advice. Alright? So, welcome po kayong lahat dito sa Hulahuan. Ang goal ng channel nito ay magbigay ng gabay using light from above with loving intentions para may positive energies ang lahat. Okay? General forecast muna tayo. Okay, isa pa. Okay, tumatalon talaga ang mga cards ninyo. No, ulitin natin. So Taurus, ako ay nahuhulid because I am very busy. Actually, I'm traveling kaya ganito na late ako. So, pagpasensyahan niyo na po. But ito na po ang inyong general forecast. Okay? Okay. Natutuwa ako dito kasi Taurus din ako guys. So, ayan, sa inyo ko lang sasabihin 'yan. Taurus din ako and natatawa ako dito sa cards na to. So, ang first card nyo kasi is the Four of Cups in reverse. So, this is telling me na meron kayong ina-accept, na meron kayong hindi na kayo, it's either meron kayong ina-accept or before ay napaka-hesitant ninyo with things. But ngayon, yung merong binibigay sa inyo, merong something na parang ino-offer sa inyo and you are happily accepting it. Okay? So, noon kasi, parang may pagka-bitter ka dati pero it changed into something else. Ngayon, may mga bagay na parang you wanted to improve, no? Kita naman dito yon because you are kumbaga, nawala yung pride, nawala yung ganyan, parang you kind of made the negative into positive kasi nakikita ko dito na parang before medyo nafe-feel ko yung yung parang alam mo yung inis, ganyan. Anyway, when it comes to your to June 2024, you have the Fool. And this is telling me this is fresh start. This is all about you discovering yourself. Minsan may mga bagay na hindi ka sigurado, but this is telling me na may mga things na nagbabago, may mga bagay na hindi nyo pa gamay, kumbaga. So medyo mangangapa ka ng konti, but everything is very fresh. Okay? Ang advice sa inyo is the Magician. This is reminding you that you are actually very, very capable. You have all the resources and you have the kakayanan para magawa kung ano man ang meron mo. You just have to be guided by sa taas, ganyan. Siguro humingi ka ng guidance, ganyan. And you also need to be grounded. So that's very important for you, Taurus. You have the capability. You need to really believe in yourself. Ito, papakita ko sa inyo, the Magician. Okay? You have all the resources. Kayang-kaya mo, guys. Kayang-kaya mo to. Ang potential outcome mo for June 2024 is that, kumbaga, ang weird na ito, pero parang you can do anything. You can wish for anything. Anything is in front of you, kahit gaano siya kalayo gawin or kahit gaano siya ka feeling mong suntok sa buwan, you can achieve. Ayun, hanggang doon. Okay? So, Next na natin ang career, okay? Kung nakatulong po sa inyo ang reading na ito, please subscribe, hit the like button if you are on YouTube. Like and follow pag kayo naman ay nasa Facebook. Huwag niyo po kalimutan i-share ito sa mga kilala ninyo na kailangan ng reading. Maliit na bagay lang to support this channel para blessings lang ang umiikot sa ating community. Okay, career. You have the Three of Cups, Six of Swords, Six of Swords, yes. Alam mo, pareho yung card na yun. The Hanged One in reverse, the Empress, and the Ace of Cups. Okay. Taurus, is there anything na parang nangyayari ba? Because when it comes to your career, I see you with good people. I see you with people that are friendly, happy, ganyan. Yun yung nakikita ko. So I don't know anong nangyayari sa inyo, or maybe it's just you na parang you're very happy. So anybody na parang makausap mo is that nagiging masaya rin, no? You have the Six of Swords in reverse, and this is yun nga, same yung general and yung career. So this is telling me na in the past baka nga may mga, how to say, baka may nang isa ganyan, but you were able to overcome it, or parang pinalitan na lang ito ng universe for you. Kumbaga siya na yung gumawa ng parang mapalitan siya, ganyan, or ginawa na lang niya ng paraan, ganyan. You have the Hanged One or the Hangman in reverse. So this is telling me na before, kung dati ay ang pakiramdam mo, you're not comfortable because things are so unsure, ganyan. Ngayon, nagbago siya. So medyo kumbaga ang weird nito is parang you're used to it but you're not comfortable. Alam mo 'yon? May ganon, parang may ironic siyang factor. Okay, so ang advice sa inyo is to be the Empress. Always don't be afraid to show kung ano yung kaya mo and who you are. Kumbaga kung ano yung values mo, ano yung naiisip mo, don't be afraid na ipakita yon. And don't be afraid to be this source of love, of good intentions, of bounty. Alam mo yon, yung kumbaga huwag kang matakot na ipakita kung ano yung kabutihan na meron mo. So, kung masama ang papakita mo, well, iba na yan. So, ang tingin ko lang sa inyo guys, don't be afraid to be, huwag kang matakot na ikaw yung nakikita ng mga tao. And pagka ganun, kailangan mong ipakita na kung sino ka. Show them kung ano yung potential na meron mo. Ipakita mo yun sa kanila na, kumbaga parang itong crane. Kung gaano kalaki yung wingspan mo, ganun, ipakita mo siya. Okay? Kumbaga, pakita mo kung anong kaya mo. Kung anong capability mo. Okay? So, Ace of Cups ang inyong potential outcome. This is telling me that this is a start of a new enjoyment when it comes to your career. This is a new enjoyment when it comes to, medyo relaxing nga yung dating niya eh. Kasi if you can see here, parang siyang naka-relax lang. So, yun yung dating niya nito, no? So, let's go to relationships and love life. Relationships and love life. Relationships, it doesn't have to be na lahat ay jowa-jowa lang, guys. Hindi ibig sabihin ganun, but it can be your family, it can be your friends, anybody, even your coworkers, basta may relationship ka sa kanila, kung ano yung pinakakailangan yung dun tayo. Okay? Kasi dati may nag-comment, bakit daw ganun yung sa love life? Bakit daw ganun? Wala daw kinalaman sa jowa niyo. Sinabi ko naman nga na hindi naman talaga, na hindi naman lahat jowa-jowa lang. Hindi lahat partners, okay? But anybody na may relationship kayo, guys. Woo! Isa pa. You have the Queen of Cups in reverse, Prince Swords, Judgment. Pagka ito ay okay. Alright. Okay. Taurus, when it comes to your relationships, I see you as the Queen of Cups in... You have the Queen of Cups energy in reverse. So, this can be na parang when it comes to your relationships, medyo nahihiya kang ipakita yung affection mo. You can also be this, parang ka nag-aalangan. Ganon, nag-aalangan ka if you will be showing your emotions or you want to be expressive, ganyan. For some of you, may also be not feeling love or you're not in the mood for that. Parang hindi nyo feel talagang ipakita yung ninyo, yung loving energies na meron kayo. It's also telling me na okay, let me digest this. Okay. So in the past there are situations, no, I don't know kung syempre you have different relationships, but in the past you had these situations na maybe medyo pumalya ka ng konti pero hindi mo naman kasi siya sinasadya, alam mo yon, parang it feels like it's just part of the process na parang na ka ng konti, kumbaga na how to say this, parang it can be a decision that you made tapos parang hindi mo naman alam, parang at that time you didn't know what to do, parang ganon. But right now there I see this yung effect nun, parang yung effect nung past na yon, you may see some kind of action, you may see some kind of how to say that, kumbaga may nag-react ganyan or something, is may update ganon, kumbaga may update. So but this is also it feels forgiving, it feels like parang gets ko na ang tawag dito, gets ko na parang hindi mo naman mean or yung ganon. There's something there, no? There's something there that it feels very, very somehow uncomfortable, but at the same time, it feels na dapat na okay lang, okay? So the advice for you, when it comes to your relationships, huwag kang matakot na maghintay. Huwag kang matakot na maghintay sa sasabihin ng tao. Kumbaga wag mong pangungunahan, minsan kasi kinakabahan ka. And kung may mga taong nagsasalita, just let them speak. And hayaan mong sila yung mauna. Kumbaga listen. You can also parang try to see kung kumbaga be patient lang din. Yun, ganon. Okay? Because when it comes to these situations, I see the Princess of Wands energy. It may come across like napaka-immature ng konti, ganyan, but there is the intention there na wala kang masamang tinapay. Ganon. Okay? So, anong advice sa inyo, guys? There are things na parang nag-unfold na parang you are being pinapa-evolve ka talaga, and you have these situations na parang somehow nagpapalit, no, when it comes to your career din. So, ngayon, ang medyo may uncomfortable ng konti din siguro is siguro yung generally, no? Kasi sa general spread nyo, there are things, and pati sa career eh. So, just stay with the good side. Just stay in sa good intention, ganyan. So, para walang nasasaktan and wala ka ding na bibigyan ng wrong impression. But, again, you can only do your part, right? So, always start with the goodness and just go from there. Ganon. Yan ang forecast mo for this month. Subscribe on YouTube and follow Hula Juan on Facebook para every month may abangan kang forecast for your sign. Always remember, sa lahat ng gagawin mong desisyon, dapat mabuti ang iyong intention. See you sa next reading.